Hi guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're just seeing me for the first time, my name is Iruo again, Sasha. You can call me Iruo Sasha. Today I'll be showing you how to do a very light makeup. All of this, no artificial eyebrow, no artificial lashes, and no lipstick at all. Let me show you how. Sometimes you want to go on a date, you don't want to look so loud. So the next time you go, maybe the first date, and then the next time the person sees you like, where the one that came last time? That's embarrassing, right? Well, but just my opinion, I'm not saying that is correct, but sometimes you just want to go with less. Sometimes you want to go with less, right? That's what I'm going to teach you. Even my eyebrows, you can see they are very rough. It's not like I just carved it, but then I'm not going to use an eye pencil, but trust me, it's going to come out very fine. Let's begin. Now I'm going to start with my lip scrub. This is the first thing I will do because I made this lip scrub from sugar, honey, and coconut oil. I'm using the lip scrub because I'm not going to be doing the lip makeup, alright? So I want my lip to come out fine even when I just dab it with little wet lips. So look at my natural lips. You can see it's better. And then it's like our first step to makeup. Just take your wet wipes and you clean your face. You should always apply your primer. You always apply primer before your makeup. Primer is very nice to make your makeup stay. This is the primer I'm using, BH Cosmetics. So now apply your primer gently all over your face. I get my puff and my beauty balm all over my skin. And even on my neck. Dab the foundation gently into your skin. Please do not swipe, just dab, dab, dab. It will all come together. When dabbing into the skin around your head, please be careful with your hairlines. You don't want to apply gel or edge control to your hair and it's having a foundation color. Done. It's looking a little weird, but it will all come together. Now get your eyebrows brush and brush it upwards. I'm not going to use an eye pencil. Next, usually you use this for your concealing, right? To conceal your eyebrows. Now since I'm doing a makeup like no makeup, I'm going to get my dark concealer. And I'm just going to use it to conceal, and yes, without eye pencil. I'm not going to draw my eye pencil. So I'm using this angle brush. You can see it has a longer side and a shorter side. So it goes like this. The longer side will start from here, okay? You do the same thing for the other side. You can use whatever you used for your face. Like I use the beauty balm, I can use it for the top. I can also go with this actually because they are almost the same color. But then let me use this since I used it for my face. The brush. You take the longer part The longer part starts from here. Conceal your eye pencil. It's the same way you conceal the eyebrows. And you can actually conceal your eyebrows whatever shape you want. So you know it's the same thing when you use this. I'm going to use this for the other side. You see the differences not noticeable. You can see it's not noticeable, right? So I get my blending brush and I just brush lightly. So this is very optional. For a better definition of your face, or if you have eye bags, conceal underneath your eyes and just a little on your nose. Get a slightly wet puff and just blend it out. This foundation is like 2 shades darker than my skin, so you don't say, oh, it's just normal foundation, so we are not doing highlighting and contour. But at the end of the makeup, you're going to see it. Your face will really look defined. Fake contour. Gently apply the darker foundation just beneath your cheekbones and you blend it out same way you're doing your contour. Also, apply on the outer part of your face, that's your head and your nose. It's just to give your face a definition when you're done. Then get your matte eyeshadow and use a very neutral color for your eyes. And if you do not have a neutral colored matte eyeshadow, you can use a powder. Now get your face powder and brush. Choose your suitable color and apply your powder to your face. So if you're wearing an off-shoulder dress, just use your brush to apply some powder to your shoulders. So you can see my face has a definition. It's not looking like I did highlighting and contour, but that's what I actually did, and I did it very lightly. Remember, I use my color for my face, and I can use a smaller brush to get the darker one, and you take it very lightly, very lightly. We don't want it to be so obvious we did highlighting and contour, even when we did lightly. Because I have a wide face, I just put a little on my cheekbone. Now get your powder brush and blend everything together. Make sure you do not leave any harsh lines. My lips aren't usually pink like this, but because of the scrub that I use, you can see how it comes out. So that's why I think it's very important for you to scrub before makeup. Now get a black eye pencil, or you can use an eyeliner if you want to, but the eye pencil is usually less pronounced than the eyeliner. So gently apply from the middle of the eye like I'm doing in the video, and then you apply underneath the eyes for both sides, and then you can give it a little cat eye if you want, just like I'm doing in the video, and a little above the eyes. Please make sure your eye pencil is well sharpened to achieve a better look. Next, get your eye mascara. Please use a good eye mascara to give your lashes a better volume. Be careful when you apply your mascara so you don't ruin your makeup. Lots of people don't do this, but it's really nice for you to use the mascara on your lower lashes. You just have to be very careful. A lot, so just little for your lip to shine is enough. You're very light. This is not brown, it's just almost like the color of my skin, just to highlight my lip a little. It's almost like my skin, and you can hardly tell I'm doing anything. That's it. I'm not wearing makeup. Are you wearing makeup? No, I'm not. These are my eyebrows. Hey girl, I don't have eye pencil on. Really? Yes, really. How? Let me touch it. And last but not the least, I'm getting my wig. This was what I was talking about the other time. You get your powder. You can see I'm wearing an off-shoulder cloth. Get your powder and dab a little into your skin. Now we would apply some bronzer to our collarbones. Apply it lightly. It really isn't nice when you apply bronzers and glitters all over your body. I think just the collarbone is fine to give it a definition. Please, when you're going for your date, don't forget to take pictures. So that's the end of the tutorial video. These are some of the pictures I took after my makeup. Please do not forget to leave a thumbs up if you actually enjoyed the video, because that's how YouTube knows you liked the video. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do. Thank you very much. Until next time, I remain Iruo Sasha. Ladies, do your nails. Don't be like me, okay? Do your nails like we are done with all the work. I end up eating my nails. That's so silly. I know it's a bad habit. I'm trying to stop. Yeah, I've been trying since.